What's up guys, it's Madden Mobile MVP back with another video, and today I'm going to be opening a variety of packs. It's not a big one, I didn't have enough money, but it's going to be a small one. I might even get a few more pro packs in here. Anyway, let's start off with these pro packs. Get a bronze, silver, dang it. We got Kaepernick, 76, not good, not what we're looking for. Ay. So bronze, oh my gosh, an 82 linebacker, Connor Barwin. I'm not going to use him in this set because I don't remember what his name is, but anyway.
Anthony Barr.
Yeah, Anthony Barr, I don't want him. And we get a Michael Bush 77. That's not good. What?
How's Michael Bush a gold?
I know what I said.
No, I'm saying how is, it doesn't make sense how he's gold.
A silver trophy, a silver player. Oh, a League's Master. I don't need that though. And we don't get anything good there. But let's see what we could get here. I'm doing the finger cover. 5,000 coins. Didn't make any profit off that. Well, you know what? I'm going to open one more pro pack for you guys. Actually, a few more pro packs, 3 more. So, I'm just going to put him there because I don't need him. Let me just collect these. Okay, now I have a lot. I could open a lot more for you guys. So, let's open one. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Bronze, silver. Oh, 79 Wes Welker. Bunch of golds. And a bronze. Another gold. So we have about 3 more pro packs for you guys. Oh no. And a silver. Okay, I'm going finger cover for the rest.
Oh, shoot.
And a 79 defensive end. Nothing good. But
cover the whole thing. Press reveal. No, don't look at it there. No, you didn't get anything. Yeah, Chris Johnson.
Yuck. Well, I'm gonna make some profit with these 10 gold players, with a bunch of gold players, and we get a 76 Nick Perry. And how long has it been? It's only been 2 minutes 51 seconds. So I'm gonna sell these items real quick for you guys, and then maybe if
just do a bunch of trophy packs.
No, I don't want to. I'd rather make some profit. So I'm going to put them up for 3,500. Some of them, like the 74, he might not sell, but it's worth a try. And it's loading. And here we go. William Hayes. I just want to see if this sells quick enough so I could do another pro pack for you guys. And that would be cool if I could. It doesn't look like Colin Kaepernick has the ball there. Nick Perry, Melvin Gordon. And the gold linebackers might be going for maybe 1,000 more because of now the set.
Anthony Barr.
So they might be going for a little more. And that's our last gold. Well, I'm one of the few people that actually auctions off my silvers and bronzes. So a lot of people don't do it, but I like to because I feel like I make more money than when putting them in 6 trophy packs. Unless I pull an elite in those, but I never do. It's only in 10 trophy packs that I do. By getting that 10 trophy pack, that's how I was able to get that large quick sale for you guys. And in about 4 hours, I'll have a lot of coins, so that's cool. Sorry about the inconvenience there.
You guys, can't see that.
No, the loading. Sorry about that. So like I say at the end of all my videos, please subscribe, like, send comments. And if you have an account of your own, please send a comment to me. Maybe we could trade subscriptions. I'll subscribe to yours, you'll subscribe to mine. And we could give comments to each other of what we could do better. So please give me comments. I like to know what I suck at and what I don't suck at. And yeah. So let me just put up these. Actually, I'm going to put these in a 2 trophy pack. What's the harm? Here we go. I have a lot.
Come on, Crookie. Oh, yes.
So I have 6. I'll probably get if I get something good in here, I'll get 4 more. Oh, a silver. I never get a silver. But I'll get 4 more bronze players just to do 1 more 2 trophy pack. And how long is it? And it's only 6 minutes. Okay, so trophy. No, I shouldn't have gotten it. Bronze. Oh, so bronze.
Player. Why are you getting trophies?
Oh, why am I getting trophies? Good point. Oh, why am I looking them up for so much? Thanks, that was a mistake. I'll just get these. What the heck? They're lucky today. So that's 3, I believe. Yep, it's 3. That guy has crazy hair. Sorry for this loading nonsense. There we go. Now, let's put it in here. Maybe we won't get a shitty pack this time. Oh no, sorry about that. Oh, sorry about that. See if we can pull an elite trophy in here. That would be pretty sweet. 2 elites. That would be nice if we
One
could.
gold would be pretty sweet.
I'm going eyes closed.
You got silver and bronze.
Oh.
Do a small quick sell.
A small? What's the max I can get in there? 25k?
Yeah.
Okay.
Better pull 25k off that.
I'm going to do one of these for you guys. So let's see what we can get. And we get a 500 coin. And, well, that wasn't good. Anyway, I'll just put these in the large quick sell. Thanks for watching. As always, please comment, subscribe, like, do anything that can help me get more videos. And take care.